Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jax on the channel, The Jaxster, and today we're at episode number 50 of the Direwolf 118.20 pack. Yeah, and we got something fancy going on. We added a new line over here to make some train products. So let's see if this is going to work or not. I went ahead and crafted up a janky looking setup, so we'll see if this is going to work, okay? Alright, so let's go over here. So when we press or place down our brass sheet, it should come and get punched with a small cogwheel, then a large cogwheel, and then an iron nugget, and that should make us our logic. I think it's called logic processors. Let's see. No, precision mechanism. I don't know where I got that at. Precision mechanism. So let's try one. Don't know if this is how we can even do it. Well, let's see. Let's try something else here. Let's get a barrel out. Then we want only to have these plates come out for right now. So now we need to go over there and get it, be able to insert just one plate for now. Okay, there it comes out. Oh, it's not getting punched by anything. What? That was anticlimactic. All right, let's look at that again. So it shows deployer cogwheel, large deployer. Maybe I've got the hand wrong. That could be. Yeah, there we go. The hand was in the wrong position. Okay, now we're in the right position. So let's try this once again. Actually, we're going to put all 8 in there. I think we can get it to work this time. So we can just kind of stand here and watch it happen. What? I think because it did them all at once, maybe. Let's try one. Okay, so maybe the height is wrong. Maybe the deployers need to be up one more block. Okay, give me a second. I'll be back, and I'll get this right. Let's go with couple shafts. And then we can go here. We're going to need another belt though. And let's check out and see what direction it's going to be going. Okay, I think that's going the right direction. So one more belt. Oh man, we're out of dried kelp. Okay, so let's see if we got kelp. Yeah, we're kind of low. Kelp. All right. Let's see. Get 2 more. Actually, we don't need 2 more. That'll make us 2 more belts with 10. And we don't need 2, but We can get all these out of their hands too. Yeah, I think those are all out. Don't have to worry about the nuggets. Let's place shaft there. Okay, cool. We got that going the correct way. So let's grab these items too. We're going to need to move those down. We can grab that with the empty hand, right? Oh. Didn't know it would do that, so that's kind of interesting to know. All right, let's grab our barrel back. And then we put our brass funnel back on it. I wonder if we could, there's probably a way to tell it to only do one at a time. Yeah, let's see if that works. There we go. But these aren't going to work right now because where they're being placed in different directions. Let's get these through and then we'll put our items back up here. So the first one, we want our 8 small cogwheels. Second, you know, it showed use these on a different stand, so maybe you have to do that. Okay, I thought maybe that we could just set up the process to be automatic. All right, let's make some of those. So if we go back in here and look for that precision mechanism, it shows where they're using deploy a cogwheel. That's on a base. I don't know what that's called actually. Used them maybe 1 or 2 times, not very often. Thought it would have been right up there in front with the other main components. Let's see. Oh yeah, right here. A depot, okay. So we should be able to make those. 3 of those. Let's go ahead and we can get our deployers placed down. I think we get the right height. We'll find out here in a second. If we can grab those out. Should only have one more. Okay, so let's place our About that. Let's get our plates out. Okay. And we'll just do one. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Okay, finally figured out what we need to do. It has to be done 5 times. I think we could probably still run it on a belt, but just to get started, I think we'll take these manual ones and go from there. So I do need to make a few more cogwheels and everything. Let's see. So how many of these do we want? I just make up like 8 of them. So we need 7 more times 5, roughly. I already have some. Let's see, there's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll need more nuggets. And we can just do each plate. And you have to do this 5 times. So definitely something we'd want to automate if we're going to do very many of these. I do like that faster sleep. Is this the last time here for this one? If you look at it, it tells you that it's incomplete. And we're at progress 12 of 15, so we need one more time all the way through the process. So basically we want to loop this, I think. There we go. Got our next one. So yeah, let me know if you guys have made these. If you made these before, and create in. I know they changed the recipe on some things. Most of it looks like it's a better recipe, easier for automation. So you don't have to make these super big machines, but not too bad. And it tells you it's incomplete when you pick it up. So if you had a question on it, whether it's done or not. Okay, guys, I'm back after a couple iterations. I think I've got this figured out. Maybe not, but we'll find out. I ended up with a golden clock for some reason. I don't know if it's making different components, but so I went in and done a pattern. Let me show you the pattern so maybe this makes sense. So I went in and we just looked for the precision mechanism actually, and it says we got to do it 5 times, so I know I need 5 times of each of these. Click on plus, and then I just clicked on here and increase this for each of these 3. And so we have this recipe now. And what we're going to do is use a crafter to export the items into a chest. I believe is what's going to work. So get over here, and then we can run some pipes above this. Let's go ahead and get our pipe up here. And then we'll have a pipe going into the ender chest. I'll show you kind of what I've done with it here in just a minute. So we don't want that connection there. So we want our chest, I think, to set right here. And then we'll be able to filter items out up here. I didn't grab my upgrade pipe yet. And then we want to filter out cogwheels. We need little cogwheels, big cogwheels, and ingots. And then we need iron ingots. Inventory is getting full for sure. Okay, so, and then little cogwheels. Those should come out and go up, and then we'll run those over. We can get rid of these hoppers. I haven't tested this part, but I'm pretty sure it will work. Let's clean up my inventory just a little bit here. What do we got? We can throw those away. And to break our belt to make this kind of work here. So let's see. So it wasn't keep functioning or keep making stuff. Let's go over here and tool wrench this guy here. Okay, so it looks like it's feeding down into those, which is what we want. Okay, and then we need to. Am I going to get in here? Let's see. Might just have to break in. Here, and then this should let the gold plate come through to this ender chest. The mechanical crafter back here. Okay. So next thing we want is our crafter. Let's rotate it to be feeding into the chest. Okay. Okay, that should be working from there. I need to get the rest of these items out. Put this back up. I don't think this book is still working yet, but probably have to wait for the next update. I did try it on a test New World, and it did work, so that's cool. All right. So I think we got everything. I do want to take these guys out, though. How do I get these out of their hands? Okay. Maybe that's how you do it. Okay. So let's put these items back into the inventory system, including our plates. So testing this, I made, well, I haven't tested this. I made 12 plates just with our belt system. So we need to put a pattern in here. Let's go ahead and get some upgrades. I don't know that that's going to make any difference with that one, but we'll have it in there just in case. Okay, let's put our belt back down. Okay, that's still working right. And what I've done here, I put a filter on both of these brass tunnels. This one is an incomplete precision, whatever the dilly dude's called. And this is a completed one, okay? So now if we go into our system and we type in precision mechanism, let's craft one. Okay, to craft, and then it's going to send, oh, it's, if it needs to make any, it has the stuff to make them. Because it needs to have 5 of each of these, remember? So we got 5 of those, has 2, so it has to make some more. So let's click on start. And, okay, I see it filled these items up. Here comes our first plate. Our hand must not be right. Those look right, though. Okay. If a plate comes through all the way, it doesn't filter either one of these filters, so let's try it again. Oh, I don't have my power set up, my rotational power. Okay, so we need a shaft again. That's why we do the testing, right? Okay, so hopefully I didn't mess any of these up, but let's put that back on here. Throw our go plate in. So when it gets done making this, it should use up all 5 of these. That way we don't have any extra in the system. That way if we come over here, if we need to make something else, we can. So the incomplete goes in here, goes back over to this inner chest, and just kind of cycles back around. Figured it's not the cheapest, but at least it's using less pipes and everything that way. And we probably would have to use some kind of storage anyhow. So I figured, using inner chest works. And this is not real fast. We could speed up our system, by using some big cogwheels, little cogwheels and stuff. But I think this will work fine. And if it doesn't, then we can do that speed up when we need to. Okay, there was the last item. So when this gets done, last item there. So it should be the 5th time. It'll pass this one and go into this one. and it'll be into the system, because this is the white ender chest where everything goes into the system. So if we look over here, decision, there we go. We got our one. Now we have 13 total. Okay, with that, guys, I think we'll end the episode, episode number 50. Thanks everybody for showing up and taking a look. Leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.